out the website or come see me. Outside of school, so I'm a former athlete myself, so I like to stay active. I like to work out and exercise. I like to play golf, although I'm not very good at it. Play slow pitch softball, pick up basketball. So a lot of what I do, I try to keep the young self going. And I'm an athlete, I guess. Yeah. So again, I love to see our students come in and ask any sort of question about any sport. Both Tony and myself's doors always open. We love when kids stop by. Same thing with clubs. If you're looking to get involved in something, whether it be sports, whether it be clubs, just looking to get involved in anything, come see me and we'll find something for you. Yeah, I love UA. Both Tony, myself, and Robin, our athletic secretary, we talk about how blessed we are to be able to work here because our kids are so awesome. Our parents are phenomenal, the support in the community. So to say I'm enjoying UA would be an understatement. Go Bears!
This has been Avon Lujane from the WARL.
Don't be afraid to introduce yourself if you see him at school or athletic events.
Girls basketball began practice last week and boys basketball starts today.
We still have a while before the winter sports season begins.
Now I toss the bag over to Macy and CJ on the couch.
Chief called and said the couch is it.
Pineapple and non-pineapple pizza supporters can finally put their differences aside as a photo of candy corn pizza surfaced on Twitter last week.
Speaking of trends, Trips and Salsa Club is a spicy alternative to Tuesday afternoons.
Aurora and John took a look at this fresh club.
New this year is Chips and Salsa Club. This group of students test different salsas and determine the best salsa in the store.
That one's actually so good.
The club meets once a month. Contact Tristan Miller or Anthony Gober for the next meeting dates. This has been Aurora and John for the WARL.
What is your favorite thing to dip chips in? Vote on your Twitter poll at live_UA to voice your opinion.
The Hidden Gem Cap Club focuses on filmmaking and a love for movies.
Come on over to the WARL on Thursdays during office hours for a fantastic cinematic experience.
Culture and Diversity Club is having a bake sale at the high school during Election Day.
Remember, seniors, there are field hockey games today, and if you leave your parking spot at lunch, it may be taken when you return.
Thanks for catching up with us, Bears. Now we kick it back to Maine with Piper and Carol.
The annual winter dance is the first weekend after winter break. It's 70 days away, but the sophomore class officers want all of you to help them decide on the details.
Joining us this morning is the sophomore class president, Dennis Erdl, and vice president, Josh Shepard.
Hello, classmates. For this year's winter dance, the class officers and I have decided to let the people choose the theme.
A Google form is available for all students to fill out on Schoology.
On the form, students may select their first, second, and third choice.
The options for the winter dance are as follows.
Winter Wonderland.
The Nutcracker.
Enchantment Under the Sea from Back to the Future.
Classic video games, pre-2000.
Titanic.
Harry Potter.
And Polar Express.
The Google form will be open until next Thursday, and the results will be announced Kickin' It next Friday.
Thanks, Bears. Now let's kick it back to Maine.
Students for a Change is holding a raffle next week to raise money for victims of sex trafficking.
The raffle tickets are $1 each, or you can donate gently used clothes in exchange for tickets. Possible prizes include gift cards to places like Nothing Bundt Cakes, The Goodie Shop, and Late Night Slice.
This weekend is the end of daylight savings time, which means an extra hour of sleep Sunday morning.
Don't forget to check out Paige Plaginge's book signing this Sunday afternoon from 2 to 4 at the Chocolate Cafe.
Tune in next week to hear stories about the UA Discussion Forum, our new wrestling coach, Sizzlin' with Sam, and a potentially special surprise in the LC.
Have a great weekend, Bears. We'll see you next week.